So the law of knowing is not in any of these books, but once you master it, reality shifts. The good thing about these books is that they are valuable in getting to the place of recognizing what the law of knowing is. And in this video, I will do my best in a few minutes to explain it to you. I don't have a lot of time today, so you're lucky because I'll try to do it in a few minutes. We have a manifestation workshop coming up in a few days. The link is in the description. We also have a few spots open in my Reality Masterwork program, my coaching program, where I help you level up with your identity in 3 months. The link is in the description. The law of knowing. The law of knowing is really acknowledging the thing that these 5 books are pointing to. And it is there's only one God. It doesn't matter what you call that God. God, Allah, consciousness, awareness, source, it doesn't matter. But it only has one face. The face of everything. It's the totality of your reality. And then you only have one moment. So you have never been to the past, you have never been to the present. So for you to understand the law of knowing, you have to go into your body. You have to sit with me. And you have to tell me your story of struggle. And you'll have to realize that you will circle around in that, and I will keep on asking you, but what's the truth? If you can only have one truth, I just told you there's only one God, and you can only have one moment to state it in, this current moment, what's that? But you will decide that that's not enough. You will decide. Let's say that you say now, right now, okay, my truth is that I'm abundant and I'm love. And then I'm light and I'm perfection. I just said it in this moment. You're sending out a vibration that is such a strong vibration that you're changing the entire fabric of reality at this moment by doing that, by recognizing how powerful you are. But in one split second, you will change that vibration. Because in that next now moment, you will change your perception of God. And you will say, but I don't see evidence. And because God only has one face, there's only one place of consciousness. Neville tells you this. You cannot change a state, you can only shift between states. Then now your perception of God, the perception of you, the perception of all is that you don't see evidence. And the next thought, how can I see evidence? When will it show? All of these snapshots you are putting after truth. Truth equals whatever you say. And then you will go on into a tangent and a spiral and tell me all sorts of stories. Physical illnesses, bills not being paid, how can I believe it, doubt, money blocks, childhood traumas. I recognize it all. I feel great sympathy with it. I know where you're coming from. But I'm also telling you that you are the only one that holds your perception. And I'm telling you that the only thing that needs to change is your perception. The law of knowing is knowing that which you want to be true already in this moment. There's nothing to do, there's no exercises. And to make it practical, I like doing that. We can do that in 2 more minutes, 1 more minute. Write 5 things that you currently have in your external world. Write 5 things down that you don't see in your external world, but that you know you have internally after seeing this video. Because you can have everything you want internally. It's only up to you to accept it. Include it. So you have a list of 10 things, 5 things you have, 5 things you don't have, but now you will say, I'm so thankful for having, and then you will say it before every one of these 10 things. And you will trick your system. But you will know it to be true with all 10 items. I'm so thankful for having it. And know that what you just did is reality creation. There's no more to do. You're not looking for it. You're not waiting for it. You just had it. You just knew it to be true for a moment. You just took on a mask, the only mask you can wear. You can only wear one. and you accept it as a true. And don't go saying, I cannot accept something to be true without external validation, because you can. Consciousness can accept something to be true. You did it your entire childhood. You just forgot that that's okay. It's okay to give yourself the luxury of accepting something to be true, that you are already abundant. You're not on a journey. You're not changing states. You're shifting states. You're not going from non-abundance to abundance. You are just being abundant. You're choosing to inhabit that internal reality. Feel it in your system. Know it to be true. Abundance, love, everything you want. Know it to be true. That's how my clients change their lives in a few days. And that's how you guys and girls are also doing it here on the YouTube channel. There's no work left to do. You just have to embody the version of you that you want to embody. We are at 6 minutes. Let's do this. Get out of here. Bye.